By the way, that song was written by the one and only Prince.
Hi guys, so today's video I'll be trying out another set of magnetic eyelashes. Now what makes this magnetic eyelashes different from the others is that this adheres to a magnetic eyeliner, and this is from a company called LashLiner. Now it comes with the lashes and it comes with 10 anchor points. If you want to add anchors to the ends, you can. I'm not going to. I'm just going to do it with this and see how it adheres with just the liner. Now you can buy the lashes alone, and you can buy just the magnetic eyeliner alone. So I got the bundle. The bundle was $55, and there's two different types of lashes. Let me see. There's one that's called Dallas, and that one's a little bit more voluminous, just a little bit more just out there eyelashes. And the one I got was the Chicago. Chicago is just a little bit more demure, more natural looking, which is what I'm looking for. I'm sure you can see that. See the 10 anchor points down here if you want to use that. And like I said before, I'm not going to. And if you want to just buy this alone, you can buy that, and it's $40 for one. And the great thing about this is you can use this with other magnetic lashes. You don't have to use this particular brand. You can use whatever one. Like I have this Ardell ones that I did a review already on. These are good. I like them. It's just they're a little hard to get together, just because you have to line up the top and the bottom and to get it on your eyelash, versus this one is just one lash on the top, which will go on here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and try this out with this lashes, and then I want to see how good this is with the another brand's magnetic lashes with just using the tops. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is what the liner looks like. Comes in a nice pretty blue tube, blue and silver. Let's open this up. I haven't opened this. I'm just going to do it today. Is it white? See that? Oh, maybe it's, no, it's black. Okay. So let's go ahead and get started. There's a little bit of smell to it. I'm really sensitive to smell, so hopefully this will just kind of disappear. Okay, I got that one on. I'm not sure how thick you're supposed to make the line. Excuse me, I'm just getting over a cold. But I'm just gonna do the liner how I normally do, which is a pretty thin line. I don't do wing liner. I just line the top of my eyelashes in a very thin line. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it the same way that I do it every day. Okay. Now, as far as the liner itself, it's pretty thick. It's thicker than a normal eyeliner, which I kind of like. It's just when I use eyeliner, I use pencil liners because I have better control. Liquid ones, because they're so runny, I tend to make a lot of mistakes. I'm not really good at eyeliner. So I kind of like the formula on this. It's a little bit thicker. And as far as the smell, I can't smell anything. So let's go ahead and try and put these on. And I'm going to use this. Take this out. And these can be reused, I believe. Let me just double check on how many times, because I don't want to give you an amount that's not correct. Okay, so it says the LashLiner lashes last for over 30 wears with normal use. And it says they've had pairs taken off and put back on over 100 times without any damage. So it's kind of the same as the other brands of magnetic lashes, like this one. But you know, this one of course is a little bit more inexpensive. But let's go ahead and try this LashLiner lashes. And see, it's very, very natural looking. It's actually a little short. It looks like it might be actually shorter than my lashes. And I have these special ones that goes with magnetic lashes. I don't think I like this magnetic holder. Just try my fingers. Well, yeah, they just stay on. This says it's especially made for, I just got it, magnet lashes, but there's magnets on the inside, so that's why I'm having a hard time gripping it. I mean, why would you put magnets in this? I don't know. Let me see if I can move this around. I think I need to put more eyeliner. I think it's a little bit too thin. So let me do one more. I'll do another pass and just make it a little bit thicker. And the instruction says to wait about a minute for it to dry down, for it to be tacky, not wet, before you attempt to put the lashes on there. And the lashes can be trimmed also. So let me let this dry down just a little bit. And these lashes have, it's the magnets go, there's 2 on the end, 2 on each end, and 1 in the middle. Let's try this thingamajig again. Let's see. I'm doing a test to see if they move. That one popped out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the other side on. And I think if you put the anchor points on there, then it's a little bit more stable. I'm just kind of thinking, I wonder what happens if you're outside, if it's really windy, and I don't know. I really like it though. I mean, it works. And I really like the style of these lashes. It's not too out there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this ones off, and I wanna try a test with these Ardell ones that, like I said before, I did a review on it, that usually you have to use the top and the bottom and clamp them together. I'm just gonna use the top, so let me take this one off. And these feel really, really durable. Yeah, so I can see you getting a lot of usage out of this one. Let's try this Ardell one. Eyeliner is still intact. This one's right off the bat, I can tell it's a little too long on the end, and I think before I needed to trim it, but I just want to see if this will stick on. That one's stuck on. Let's try the other side. When pulling these off, they're a little bit more flimsier than this ones. This ones just seem like they're a little bit more lush, just a little bit more. But I guess you get what you pay for. Yeah, it popped right on. Let's see. Right here. It's definitely a little too long on the end. We'll have to trim it, but yeah, obviously it does. I guess it does work with any other magnet lashes. Take this one off. This one back on. Yeah, I definitely like this one better too. So just a little bit more natural looking. It's a little bit, it seems like it's a little bit more durable. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and put down links in my description box so you can get your own magnetic eyeliner, and this one is by LashLiner. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye!